Father, I'm having a day, I'm just not feeling it. My faith is still strong only because you built it. I'm having a hard time, but you've never failed me. So open my eyes, please help me to see. It's me, Lord, not you. My thoughts are roaming, storms in my mind, turbulent waves are foaming. I'm at unrest, the daily news is disturbing. People are mean, somewhat perturbing. It's the times in which we live, I understand the tidings. Past prophecies now have begun their colliding. The freight train of time barrels down the track. Nothing can stop it, nor bring it back. I'm ready for the end, it's nearly here. It's not the end, it's the road I fear. I'm under no illusions, it's about to get rough. The signs are present with hatred and stuff. Set me to task, put me to work. The fields are ripe, people need you, Lord. What can I do? How may I serve? Busy is distracting, plus it calms my nerves. You know the time when in the boat you stood. The waves heard your voice, the winds understood. Strengthen my resolve, quell the storm in my mind. I wanna be one in whom joy you may find. In this moment and at this time, as you did in the boat, please stand in my mind. Take hold of my thoughts, help me rein in my will. Speak into my mind, whisper peace, be still.